Hi, I am Prithwis, and this is my submission for the TechStacks developer assessment. On the left side of my screen, you can see the custom minimal UI I built, and on the right, my dummy action repo and codebase. For this project, I built a Flask backend that acts as the webhook receiver. It's exposed via ngrok and securely connected to a MongoDB Atlas cluster for free. My frontend UI is designed to be completely hands-off. It automatically polls the backend every 15 seconds to fetch and display the latest events. For this demo, I will reload the browser because it's faster, but it updates it after 15 seconds always. Before I trigger the webhooks, let me quickly explain the logic. The Flask app accepts the GitHub payload and strictly formats it to match the requested MongoDB schema. I made sure to implement proper time zone handling so all the timestamps are formatted clearly into UTC before saving to the database. On the front end, to ensure data is never duplicated on the screen during the 15 seconds polling cycles, the application passed the last time step in the API call and creates a unique key using both the request ID and the action type. So it never fails to do its job. Sometimes the time zones thing can be different, but it's just on the front end. The uh, storing is completely good and no problem in whatsoever. Now we can jump into this and let's see if it is good. So let's see it in action. I'm going to simulate a standard developer workflow to trigger all three required events in sequence, like push, a pull request, and finally a merge. First, I will create a new branch in my local terminal called demo test branch. I will make a quick update to the readme file to ensure there is a change to stage, and then prepare my git commands. So you can see it has updated the thing, and then we can see the pull requests and all that. So now we can go on to the next things we want to accomplish with this, so we can understand the system is working or not. Okay. So now I'm going to staging the file and committing it with the messages, testing the push webhook for a video. As soon as I push this branch to the remote repository, GitHub fires a webhook payload to my Flask endpoint. Uh, Keep an eye on the UI on the left side of the screen. You can understand then what is happening or what is not. And after that, it will just the UI just will capture the event immediately, extracting like my author name, the destination branch, and the UTC timestamp. Next, I will move over to the GitHub interface to open a pull request for the branch I just pushed. I will create a pull request targeting the test feature branch. Once I hit create, GitHub sends a new payload. And then after that, my backend specifically listens for the opened action within the pull request payload. Once captured, it formats the string to show both the from branch and the to branch, which the UI successfully renders right here. And then finally, for the extra brownie points, I will complete the workflow by merging this pull request. Since GitHub registers the merge as a closed pull request, my Python logic specifically drills down into the payload to check if the action is closed and if the merge boolean is set to true. I will confirm the merge now, and then the backend successfully catches the merge flag and the UI displays the custom merge formatting that covers all the requirements. So thank you for the time, and I look forward to your feedback.